Hello students, welcome to Rohit Tutorials. In this video, we are going to cover the assignment number 11, that is strategy design pattern. The statement is implement and apply strategy design pattern for simple shopping cart where three payment strategies are used such as credit card, PayPal, Bitcoin. Create the interface for strategy pattern and give concrete implementation for payment. As we know, the online shopping platform. In this, we select the product and add it into the card. Here, the product consisting of product ID and its price. So one by one, we select the product and add it to shopping cart. After adding it into shopping cart, we go for purchasing by using credit card or PayPal or Bitcoin. In this practical, we have used the two payment strategies. First is credit card and PayPal. This is same as the online shopping platform. So by using this strategy design pattern, we are going to implement this assignment. So let's move towards practical session. Open the notepad, save as shopping cart test.java. Save the file, close this, open the file inside STS. Write a class shopping cart test. Inside that main method is there. Here we are using another class shopping cart to add the product inside the card. For that this class is required. Again we are using another class item to initialize the item information, like item having the product name and item having the price. So for that we required the two variable. First is code and second is nothing but the price. As we are using the strategy design pattern, we use first is interface, payment strategy. Which strategy you are going to use, PayPal or credit card? By using that, we have to pay the amount, public void pay, and it will take one parameter, that is nothing but amount. As interface consisting of abstract method, so only declaration is available. Its implementation is provided by its implemented classes. Class PayPal strategy implements payment strategy, and second class is class credit card strategy implements PayPal strategy. That's all. This is the actual structure of our code, consisting of these classes. First is interface, second is class PayPal strategy, third is credit card strategy, class item, next class shopping cart, and after that shopping cart test, which consisting of main method. Inside main method, we create the object for shopping cart equal to new shopping cart semicolon. Next is create the object for item class to store the values of item 1 equal to new item, and we providing the values for the constructor. Here we are going to use the parameterized constructor and its price. First is code for the product and second is nothing but its price. Price is suppose 100, and second item object is item 2 equal to new item. Again we are providing code is 5678 and its value is 200 or price is 200. So go to item class, which consisting of two variable. First is private string code, and second variable is private int price. Now add the getter for code and price. Public string code get code opening closing return this dot code, and next is public int get price return this dot price. Also set constructor, that is parameterized constructor, public item. First variable is string code and second variable is int price. This dot code equal to code semicolon this dot price equal to price. That's all. Go to main function. Now we have to add this item 1 and item 2 inside shopping cart, same as card which is available inside online shopping. So for that we are using cart dot add item 1. Second is cart dot add item 2. Here we are going to add item 1 and item 2 information. Card is object of shopping cart, so shopping cart consisting of add item function. So for that public void add item function, it will take a parameter of type item. Now we are going to add one by one item inside item list. So for that list of item, variable name is items. Here this dot items dot add item. That's all. Also create a constructor for shopping cart, public shopping cart, initialize the value items of list, this dot items equal to new array list. It is initializing to array list, semicolon array list of item. That's all. Go to again main function. Now next functionality is doing the payment. As we have added product 1 product 2 inside shopping cart, after adding the product inside shopping cart, now we will go for making the payment. So payment by using PayPal and payment by using credit card. So first is cart dot pay. This function is there, as cart is of shopping cart which consisting of pay method. So public void pay method is there. As we have used here interface payment strategy, so PayPal strategy implements payment strategy. So this is unimplemented method. We have to implement it inside both these classes. Also inside this credit card strategy. Now go to main method. Here card pay new. First we are going to pay by using PayPal strategy, and we providing two values, that is username and password. username is email, suppose rohit@gmail.com, and password is suppose pass. Go to PayPal strategy. Here we required the two variables, first is email and second is nothing but password. First variable is private string email and second variable is private string password. We are using the constructor to initialize the value. Public PayPal strategy, first variable is string email and second is also string password. This dot email equal to email and this dot password equal to password. This constructor is useful for initialization of this variable email and password. Now after initialization, it will go to shopping cart pay function. Shopping cart pay function accepting one parameter having payment strategy and its variable name is payment strategy. Go inside pay using first is PayPal strategy, variable is int amount and calculate total. This calculate total function calculates the total item prices, that is 100 plus 200 is equal to 300. So go to calculate total function, write this function here, public int calculate total. As this function return integer value, that integer value is nothing but addition of 100 and 200 and that will be stored inside amount. So here we need to add int sum equal to 0 for item, variable name is item. We can take the values from items list, items, that is this list which consisting of these two products. So take the price of first product, sum equal to sum plus name of the variable is item dot get price. After that first it will take value as a 100, after that it will take value as 200, 100 plus 200 we are getting value as 300 and it will return sum. So return sum and this sum is stored inside this amount variable. Now use this variable payment strategy to call the pay method of PayPal strategy, because here we are using PayPal strategy dot pay and we are providing the amount. Save it. Go to our PayPal strategy. Here public void pay int amount, just write system.out.println amount plus paid using PayPal. That's all. This is about PayPal strategy class. Now second, credit card strategy. Card.pay new credit card strategy. Inside that we are providing the values. First is name Rohit, because for credit card we are providing the name, card number, CVV number and date of expiry. So credit card number is suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16 digit card number is there. After that we required the CVV number 234, and last is expiry date, suppose 12/11. Save this. As this credit card strategy is object, because it is created by using new keyword, so it will go to constructor which accepting the 4 parameters. So go to credit card strategy. Here credit card strategy is there. So firstly we will create 4 variables. First variable is private string name. Second is private string card number, private string CVV number, and private string expiry date. Create a constructor public credit card strategy, and we are providing the 4 values. First is string name, second is string card number, third is string CVV number, and last is string exp date. Now here this dot name equal to name, second this dot card number equal to card number, third is this dot CVV equal to CVV, and last is this dot exp date equal to exp date. That's all. Initialization is done. Here we are using for card capital C, at below we are using small c, so make it as capital C. Now use the pay function, public void pay integer amount. Just write system.out.println amount plus paid using credit card. That's all. This is all about this program. First, payment strategy. This is the interface. One method is there, so we have to implement this method inside implemented classes, that is PayPal strategy and credit card strategy. Here pay method is there, and inside credit card this pay method is there. Inside PayPal strategy we are using username and password. Username we are considering as email, and password is same as password. And for credit card we are using name of the user, credit card number, CVV number, expiry date. These 4 values we require to pay using credit card. Now next is item. So the product consisting of product ID, that is code, and price. So we have initialized it by using class item. Next is shopping card. As we have to add multiple entries inside card, so for that we required list of items. So item we are considering as a single, but list of item considering as a multiple items available inside that card. So one by one we are going to add item inside this list. So based on that we calculate its total. And last is nothing but the shopping cart test. Here the main method is available. From that we are going to call the functionality for executing this program. Now go for execution. CMD Java C shopping cart test .java. Here one error is there, invalid method declaration, return type required, public PayPal strategy. Okay, go to this constructor, line number 11. Here the class name is start with capital letter, so make it as a capital. Save it, compile the code. Here line number 63 we are using the list, so here we are going to import java.util.list. Import java.util, that's all. Next line, here we have used card at 94 number. 94 number line, instead of card, here object name is cart. Compile the code. Code compiles fine. Execute the code. 300 paid using PayPal and 300 paid using credit card. So this is all about this practical of online shopping. Thank you.